Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. If you got Hisense Smart TV running on the VIDAA OS and you're wondering, how do I install any app I want? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to install third-party apps, sideload apps, and make the most out of your VIDAA TV. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding VIDAA OS. First things first, Hisense Smart TVs use VIDAA OS, which is fast, simple, and easy to use. But here's the catch. It doesn't support the Google Play Store or Android APKs out of the box. So, we need a few workarounds to install apps that aren't available in the VIDAA App Store. Section 2. Method 1. Use the VIDAA Store. Let's start with the basics. To install apps from the official VIDAA Store, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the App Store. Browse or search for any available apps. Click Install, and it will appear on your home screen. Easy, but if your favorite app isn't there, let's move on to other methods. Section 3. Method 2. Using a web browser. If the app has a web version, this is a great trick. Open the VWD browser or install any available web browser from the App Store. Navigate to the app's website, like YouTube, Spotify, or Plex. Log in and use the web version, just like an app. You can even bookmark it for easy access later. Section 4. Method 3. Screen mirroring casting. Here's another cool method. Screen mirroring. On your phone, enable screen mirroring or cast. Make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your Hisense TV and start mirroring apps directly from your phone. This works great for apps like games, media players, or streaming platforms that don't exist on VIDAA. Section 5. Method 4. Using an external device. Still not enough? No problem. You can use a Fire Stick, Roku, or Android TV box with your Hisense TV. Just plug it into the HDMI port. And now you've got full access to Google Play Store or Amazon App Store. It's the easiest way to unlock every app imaginable. Conclusion. And there you have it. Whether you're using the built-in store, casting from your phone, or plugging in a streaming stick, you now know how to install any app on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tech tip. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.